Let's check this out for the collapsible chessboard. Oh, that's tough, dude. I was not expecting it to print in double couleur. All right, now for the other parts. With the light, huh? Then you got the queen, and then I'm assuming bishops, right? Horsey, and then the rook, huh? And then you got the pawns, and then I'll print the dark ones now. We had a brown failure, but I just used bamboo glue stick because one of them fell, and then a bunch of them fell, and then there was spaghettiing everywhere. But then I'm reprinting it now with a bamboo glue stick on a ludicrous speed, and it's going crazy fast, and it's almost done. Worked out pretty good. Is that not sweet as a... How cool. This is a 3D printed chess board that's portable. Just pop the cap off. Get all your pieces. Take the bottom cap off. Oh, and you unroll it.